click Chrome, and we will change the Chrome into a desktop version. Choose any browser you like and type youtube.com, or if the icon available, so click the icon of YouTube, and now this type of interface appear regardless of the version. So now we will change few settings. Click three dots and click desktop site. Tick mark inside this, and further messages will now appear, so we will allow that. After allowing that, we will also do another change. Now YouTube is open in browser. This message appears, so click allow, and now another message, click allow, and now once again we will go to three dots. It's the final step, and in three dots we will simply add to home service. Click on it, so click install app, and if it didn't even appear, so click it. Now it's installing YouTube in browser. You can also see it from here, and your YouTube will normally play in browser the way you see. It's in browser, and my YouTube is normally playing on its support. So this could be a solution for your issue currently available on YouTube. It's in front of you that it's playing normally. And this will work in all mobile and all version of YouTube. Hope you have liked. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe.